own Deirdre Bosa has some fresh reporting on the Silicon Valley Bank collapse. Deirdre, it just keeps coming. What have you learned?
It keeps coming. So the focus today has been mostly on private cash-burning startups. So now we're finding out public companies, they're affected too, like Roku, which you guys just spoke about. And remember that Silicon Valley Bank was so intertwined in the startup and tech community. It has held deposits for many late-stage companies pre-IPO. And I'm hearing that there are likely more public companies to come out and say that they still have cash there or that they don't, to reassure investors. More questions and answers for now. I've been on the phone all day with founders and investors in tech. They're all wondering what is next. How much money are they going to receive on Monday? And will they be made whole eventually? These questions are most urgent for those cash-burning startups who weren't able to get their money out in time, and they now have bills to pay. I spoke to one founder, Sunny Singh, who just raised his seed round and was about to deposit it in SVB, a newly opened account. He dodged a bullet by waiting, but now he's in a tough position because he faces more uncertainty, which is still percolating through the tech ecosystem.
We've started to issue employment letters for next week to start paying people and set up payroll and all that. So that's all going to be delayed now and all that stuff. And finding office going to be delayed. So we hope, depends on how quickly we can onboard this new bank, which for a crypto company could take 1 day to 3 months. It kind of puts everything in jeopardy right now.
Sarah, he is not alone. He says that he's in a chat group with many other founders, and they're worried about making payroll because they use the startup Rippling to process them. Rippling banks with SVB, and I just can't I cannot overstate how intertwined this bank is in the system, that we're only seeing the beginnings of this ripple effect throughout tech.
Yeah, and I wonder if we're going to see startup failures as well. To that point, Deirdre, thank you. We've got more details on the public companies as well that have deposits at Silicon Valley Bank. As we mentioned, we hit Roku. Bertha Coombs has been tracking that angle. Who else, Bertha?
Well, SoFi Technologies, for one, is saying that they do not have assets with Silicon Valley Bank. However, it does have approximately a $40 million lending facility, which is unaffected by the FDIC's receivership. Meantime, Rocket Lab in an 8K says that it has approximately $38 million with Silicon Valley Bank. That amounts to nearly 8% of the company's total cash and cash equivalents and marketable securities as of December 31st. And Roblox coming out saying that it has $3 billion of cash and cash securities as of February 28th, 2023. About 5% of that is held at Silicon Valley Bank. The company says, thus, regardless of the ultimate outcome and the timing, this situation will have no impact on the day-to-day operations of the company. I am sure we're going to continue to hear these 8Ks, Sarah, because a lot of folks want to reassure investors that they aren't affected by this.
Yeah, don't want to put their name with SVB, but obviously want to assure them. Bertha, thank you. Bit of a theme there with the companies that have banked with
So
SVB.
when this kind of stuff goes down, you look at some of the other companies that could have exposure. Or to me, this is a time to look at companies that have credit exposure and maybe unrelated to SVB. And SoFi is one of them. I was doing some work on them earlier today. In fact, they use fair value accounting rather than holding reserves against loans. JP Morgan had a note out where they talk about their discount rate assumptions used to value their loan portfolio are not keeping pace with interest rate rises. So again, are they marking to market? This was a big issue for SVB. They had to mark to market. They had to take some losses because they had to meet a liquidity run. SoFi is another one of these companies that's a fintech company, but it's also a company that's got, if anything, more exposure to consumers and parts possibly of a lending world that I think could be under more pressure. So that's the kind of story today. That's tomorrow's story. I'm not saying SoFi is anything close.
No exposure.
My point is simply to say you have to look at how companies are valuing their assets, what their books look like.
Yeah, liquidity issues are roaring back here.